Hey everyone, welcome to Budgeting with Darcy. It's so great to have you here today. Hello, I am Darcy, and so here I talk about saving money, budgeting, and personal finance. So today I'm going to talk about the best camera, tripod, ring light setup that you will ever get on a budget. Yes, on a budget. I spent multiple hours scouring through Amazon to find you and find myself the perfect deal. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. I am trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of this year, December 2020. So please help me out and subscribe. It would help me so much. I personally did not want to fork over a bunch of cash to start my YouTube channel. I wanted to get the equipment that was going to maximize my return. So I'm going to jump into this and keep it short. This is what I used to have as my camera setup. I'm going to show you now, and no judgment whatsoever, because I was cheap. I was on a budget slash $0, and so I didn't pay money at all for my old camera setup. So I'm going to show you now. Hey, so this is literally how I set up my cameras. So I have this lawn table, right? And then I have the microwave, and then I put my phone like right here, and then I record on this back wall. Whew. I know that it was rough, because I know it was rough for myself. So as it relates to the camera, I personally believe in using your iPhone. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, and so I just use my iPhone. That's no money. I'm not going to buy an expensive camera right now when it gives me the same quality or gives me the quality that I need to give good videos. And so I'm happy with the quality of my iPhone. As it relates to a ring light, there's a couple of things that you should look at when purchasing one. You should look at the size of the ring light. I personally have a 10-inch ring light, and that's all that I need. But definitely there's a 10-inch ring light, there's a 12-inch, and there's an 18-inch ring light. So it depends on how much brightness you need. I love to record when it's bright outside in midday to early day, just to make sure I get the natural light as well as the light from the ring light. Also, an important quality to look at is the phone holder. Does it have 360 maneuvering capabilities? Can it go around in a circle, or is it just fixed in one position? Because personally for me, I like to move my camera up and down, just depending on what kind of angle or direction I want to get. And so just the ability to move your phone camera in different degrees is really important to look at. The next factor that influences whether you buy a tripod or not should be the tripod height. So I've seen it range from either between 14 inches to even 72 inches. I personally bought one that's 51 inches. It's exactly what I need, and it's the perfect height for when I want to just sit down and have it standing face to face with me, or I can make it shorter if I'm more sitting at my desk and wanting it to be very close and personal to my face. So whether it's very flexible, the height, whether you can move it up or down, make it smaller or make it a lot taller. And so I have one that goes as small as 14 inches and as tall as 51 inches. Also, you should look at whether it's USB powered or whether you need batteries. I personally like that my ring light is USB powered. I don't want to be buying AAA, AA batteries. That's just another expense that I don't want to afford. So I just use my portable charger from my phone and then put it on the ring light, and it works perfectly. So definitely highly recommend you look at what's the power source for the ring light. Also, what's the warranty? So fortunately for the camera and ring light setup that I bought, there's a 2-year warranty. So if something's wrong with the ring light, something's wrong with the tripod stand, I can just return it and they will send me new parts to get it fixed. So those are definitely qualities that you should look out for when getting your camera ring light setup. So for the camera, I just use my iPhone, and then for the tripod and ring light, I got that all in one through the Amazon link that I will link below, and that's the best. And I say again, the best setup for a ring light and tripod and camera and everything you need all in one. And it is going for $25.99, which is a great price compared to the other ones I've seen, which go for $30, $35, even some $50 ones. So definitely I highly recommend this one, and it's $25.99. So check it out.